Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can easily issue a refund check to return unused client trust account funds if the need arises. To do this, first open the Write Checks window within QuickBooks. Then select the correct client trust checking account from the bank account drop-down at the top of the window. You can then select the name of the client and matter or case from the Pay to the Order of drop-down within the check form. You can then enter the amount of the client's trust fund to be refunded into the dollars field. Be sure to select the correct check date from the Date field's calendar selector. Be sure to enter a detailed description of the refund into the Memo field as well. Then on the Expenses tab shown at the bottom of the check window, select the Client Trust Liabilities account. Doing this will remove the amount returned from the amount of liability owed to the client. Be sure to also note the reason in this Memo field as well. You can then select the name of the client and case or matter from the Customer Job dropdown. Be sure to indicate that these are not billable amounts entered as well. Then select the correct class from the Adjacent Class Fields drop-down menu. When you have finished, you can then print the check if needed. After recording and optionally printing the check, click the Save and Close button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.